Hello and welcome to Aerospace Rocketry's YouTube channel, where we specialize in the hobby of high-powered rocketry, drones, and other fun stuff. Like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. Hope you like our next video. I thought I'd give you a tour of my rocket room, or V.A.B building, if you will. So this is, some of you guys have seen the tour of my basement already, but I want to show you guys some of the work area and some of my rockets. This is just a short video tour. Let's just show you what I got going here. Of course, you know, we've got tool sheds, hot water heater. My latest creation, which is the Falcon 9 rocket. It's a 1/24 scale rocket here. And here's my back end. There's previous videos on how I built this too. Over here we got some medium-sized rockets. I got an oversized strong arm, a stealth that goes way back into the 90s from Binder. AMRAAM, small AMRAAM. I built a scratch-built little rocket cam there. That's many, many years ago. That thing hasn't flown at all. I used to have a window on it, as you can see, for a film camera that used to point out of the window. So that's how old that is. You come around here, we got a couple of Aerotech rockets. When I came through the G motors and flew those are quite old too. The picture of my AMRAAM flying up. This is my workbench. Of course, set up with all the past rocket launches above. Nice little work area here. I got all my boxes that I take to my launches with motors in them and parts that I need. Up here is a Total Annihilation. This is a 6-inch, roughly I think 8-foot rocket I built in 2001. I recently just redid it, fixed it up, painted it, and this will fly at red glare. Probably on a K550 or somewhere in that area. Up here, most of you already know, I'm the AMRAAM man. This is my 7.5-inch, slightly larger than scale AMRAAM. This baby flew on January 7th. Actually, flew in red glare and January 7th on an M1939. And I got 6,000 feet out of it. And this was my certification rocket, level 3. And if you guys are interested in how I hang these, extra caution, put some angle brackets to hold the ladder holders. And I got the strongest ones I could find. As you can see, I got at least 4 of them holding this one up. That's a roughly 60-pound rocket, so I wanted to make sure it's not going anywhere, with a little bit of safety straps just in case. Up here on the left side, we got our 4-inch Sidewinder. This was built in 1996. This was my level 2 certification on the brand new J motor that was on a 38 millimeter rocket mount. At the time, that was pretty powerful for me. And this thing has flown many, many, many times and still flyable today. So there's our toolbox over here. We got our West Systems epoxy setup. We got some couple extra nose cones and some tube couplers, just some spare parts around, and more tools. We got a couple of adapters, 75 millimeter adapters up here. We've got a lot of junk here. And then of course, what's a good workshop, especially for rockets, without a whole bunch of paint? So, and I'm the kind of guy that will have a color already that I need and go to the store and buy it again. So we have quite a few here. And for some heavy duty work, we got a circular saw and lots of stuff to clean up. But I just want to give you a quick tour of my rocket room. I know you see a lot of videos from here, so this is where I work. This is where I spend most of my time. And I just cleaned it up for this video. Oh, here are some of my rocket reloads. I've actually bought some of this plastic wrap just to protect them. I've got a size for these 3 coming soon. There's my 98, 75, 54 set, and 38 set. So I think I'm set and ready to rock. And this SpaceX Falcon 9 will fly at red glare also. So if you're there, look for it. I'm excited to fly this. I think I'm going to fly this on an L900 dark matter. So we're going to make a lot of noise and we're going to have a lot of fun with it. So that's it. That's my rocket area. My vehicle assembly building, if you would. See you on the next video.